How to create an e-portfolio on Google Sites. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Google Sites and then simply create a blank site. So simply click on that, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply type in your website title. So let's say e-portfolio, and then what you're gonna have to do, so portfolio. And here, if you want, you can enter your site name as well at the top. So let's type in e-portfolio as well. And then what you're gonna have to do, if you want, you can simply change the background color, or if you want, you can change the wallpaper. As you can see, if you want, you can upload or select one from Google that basically are completely free. Here you can change the header type. As you can see, you can add cover, large banner, and title only. Then here on the right side, as you can see, you have pages. So simply click on that, and then you're gonna be able to create a new page. As you can see, you can create a new page, and let's say products, and then click on done. And as you can see, you're gonna see at the top all the pages. So all you have to do is simply create as many, and you can simply switch between them. So simply click on them, and then you can start adding content. So if you want, you can simply click on insert, and then here you can upload. As you can see, you have different options. So you can upload images, you can add text boxes or different files. So as you can see, you can even go and click on content blocks. And here you can upload your image and add some information about you, like your first and a description, first name and last name, and the description at the bottom. Now keep in mind that every time you make a change, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on publish. Now, when you click for the first time, you're gonna have to create your domain. So if you want, you can either use Google Sites free domain, or you can connect a custom domain. So here you can type in something like e-portfolio test. So I'm gonna type in something random, and as you can see, it's available. Then click on publish. And as I said earlier, after you make different changes, make sure to publish this. Now, after you created your e-portfolio website and added all the content, if you want, you can add people to your website. So if you want, you can invite your teacher or whoever you want. So simply type in their email. So I'm gonna type in, as you can see, I'm gonna use this one here as an example. And here, if you want, you can click on the editor button, and here, as you can see, you have two different options. So you have published viewer and editor. So basically the editor can add and edit content on your e-portfolio. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.